The president likes to talk about Medicare. We welcome the debate. We need this debate. What the president won't tell you is that he's already changed Medicare forever. His new health care law puts a board of 15 unelected bureaucrats in charge of cutting Medicare. Look, we should never turn the fate of our parents and grandparents over to an unaccountable board and let it make decisions that could deny them access to their care. My mom relies on Medicare. We owe her and all of our seniors a better program, one that they can actually count on. Our budget keeps the protections that have made Medicare a guaranteed promise to seniors throughout the years. It makes no changes for people in or near retirement. And in order to save Medicare for future generations, we propose to put 50 million seniors, not 15 unaccountable bureaucrats, in charge of their personal health care decisions. Our budget empowers seniors to choose from a list of coverage that works best for them, that is required to offer at least the same benefits as traditional Medicare. It sets up a financial support system designed to guarantee that they can always afford coverage. And it says that if a senior wants to choose the traditional Medicare plan, then she should have that right. Our idea is to force insurance companies to compete against each other in order to better serve seniors, with more help for the poor and the sick and less help for the wealthy. Or, as President Obama likes to call it, social Darwinism. Of course, we disagree with that characterization. Our plan offers the best way to guarantee quality, affordable health care for all of our nation's seniors for generations to come.